So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss nanomaterial. So what is nanomaterial? Nano means small. Nano means very small particle. So nano, if you say nano particle, that means it is very small particle. So nano implies small. Nano means small particle, very small particle. So the materials which are between the range 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer scale, the materials which are in the range 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer scale are called nanomaterial. So the materials which are between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer scale is called nanomaterial. Is called nanomaterial. Or the substance which are between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer are called nanomaterials. So this what is 1 nanometer and 100 nanometer or nm? nm is nanometer. nm is nanometer. nm is nanometer. So it is 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 nanometer is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So in a 1 nanometer scale it is 10 to the 9 10 to the minus 9 meter. So meter, you know, this much maybe this much is 1 meter. So it is you divide this into 1 by 10 to the power 9. So that means it is 1 by 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power 9 meter. So if you divide 1 by 10 to the power 9 to a meter, then that becomes a 1 nanometer. So all nanomaterials are between the range 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. So all nanomaterials are between the range 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. All nanometer is very small particles which are not visible to eye. It can be seen by the microscopes only. So nanomaterial is very small. It is about 100,000 times smaller than that of hair. So if you are considering a hair, the thickness of hair, if you are considering an hair, so the thickness of the hair is 100 times 100,000 times lesser than the nanomaterial. So if you take an hair, that means it will be 100,000 nanometer. So when we the thickness of hair is 100,000 nanometer. So nanomaterial can also be defined as the substances which are size less than 100 nanometer. So this nanomaterials can also be defined as the substances which are size less than 100 nanometer. So this nanomaterial can be classified into 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. So it is written as we will write classification of nanomaterial. So it can be classified It can be classified as a 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. So 0 dimension. So we will write as a 0D. 0, 0D, 1D, 2D, 3D. So this is a 0 dimension. 1 dimension, 2 dimension, and 3 dimension. So nanomaterial can be classified into 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension, or it is written as 0D, 1D, 2D or and 3D. So there are 4 types of nanomaterials. The particle so the 0 dimension means the particle has no dimension in either in x direction, y direction or z direction. So first we will discuss the 3-dimensional particle. First we will discuss 3-dimension, 3D or 3-dimension particle. 3-dimension particle. The 3-dimensional particle, the particle has orientation in three direction. So you know we have x, y and z axis. So this is x, y, this is y and z axis. So a particle has three orientation, means it can it is orienting in x, it is orienting in y, it is orienting in z direction. So the particle will be like this. The particle is like this. So it is orienting in x direction and y direction and z direction also. So this is x, y and z direction. So the 3-dimensional particle is it is orienting. So the particle has orientation in 3 direction. So a 3-dimensional particle means the particle has orientation in 3 direction. Similarly 2D particle. The particle has orientation in 2 direction. Two direction means the particle has in 2-dimensional particle, the particle has orientation in 2 direction. The 2 direction means the particle will orient in either xy or yz or zx direction. The particle orient in either xy or yz or zx direction. That means the particle will orient only in xy direction. So this is your xz. So the particle is orienting only xz direction. Here x direction is this one is x and this one is z. So the particle is orienting only xz direction. Here the particle is orienting in only in xz direction. It has no orientation in y direction. It has no orientation in y direction. So the particle is just like a surface plate. Okay. Now we come to one direction, one dimensional or one direction particle. Now we come to one dimensional. So in one dimensional particle, the particle has orientation only in one direction. So the particle in one dimension, the particle has orientation only in one direction. The particle has orientation only in one direction. So here the particle will be like this. So the particle is maybe here. So it has only, the particle has only one dimensional orientation. There is no orientation in z direction or y direction. So one direction such as either x direction or y direction or z direction. So the particle has orientation only in one direction, either x direction or y direction or z direction. Then we come to zero dimension. A zero dimensional particle has orientation in no direction. So it has no orientation. So a zero dimension particle does not have orientation in any direction. The particle does not have orientation in any direction. So the particle is right here. So here is the particle. So it does not have any orientation in any direction. Neither it is orienting in x direction, that is not orienting in y direction, or not in z direction. The particle is also like this. So it is a dot. It is a dot like, or there is no orientation in any direction. So it has no orientation in this direction, no orientation in this direction, no orientation in this direction. So it has no orientation in any direction. So the zero dimensional particle has orientation, does not have any orientation in any direction. So in all the direction it is not orienting. It is not orienting in any direction. So the particle is here. The particle is here. So it does not have any orientation in any direction. Types of nanomaterial. So the types of nanomaterial, there are again four types of nanomaterial: zero dimensional particle, one dimensional particle, two dimensional, and three dimensional particle. So it is zero dimensional So zero dimensional particle. So what is its example? Example is quantum dot. Quantum dot or nano dots. So these are semiconductor particle, very small size semiconductor particles, and within the range 100 nanometer, and it does not orient in any direction. It does not orient in any direction. So these are just like dot like structure which does not orient in any direction. Very small dot like structure which does not orient in any direction. So these are called quantum dot or nano dots. These are called nano dots or quantum dots. Second is one dimensional particle. So one dimensional particle is surface film. Surface film is one dimensional film. One dimensional particle. Surface film. See layer on the surface of the any substance or surface film. See layer on any surface. So it is just surface film. So it is only one dimensional particle. Then two dimensional particle. So two dimensional particle is say your nanofibers, nanowire, nanotube. These are two dimensional particles. So it has dimension in two direction. So nanotube, nanowires, so these are the these have orientation in two directions, x, z. So also x, z. So these are two dimensional particles, and it has only one dimension, x direction. So it has only surface has only x direction. Then three dimensional particle. Three dimensional particle. These are nanoparticles. These are nanoparticles. It has orientation in three directions. The particles will be like this. So it has three dimensions. It is three dimensional. It has x, y, and z directions. So these are the nanoparticles. It has three dimensions in three directions. So these are the some of the examples. Examples of the nano types of the materials of the nanomaterials. So these are the types of nanomaterials. So nanoparticles is a three dimensional particle, and it has a orientation in x, y, and z direction. Okay. So this is the all the nanomaterials are very small in size and very it is the range is less than 100 nanometer scale. So here the range of the particle will be always within 100 nanometer, and it is also 100 nanometer, and it is also 100 nanometer. That means it is 100 nanometer in the x direction and 100 nanometer in the z direction. in the 2-dimension case. In the 1-dimension case, it is 100 nanometer in x direction. It has only dimension in only one direction. So one-dimensional particle, it has one dimension it is 100 nanometer and other dimension is 0. X direction it is 100 nanometer, less than 100 nanometer, and on the z direction it is 0 nanometer on the z direction. That's why it is one-dimensional particle. Similarly, it has two directions, so it is less than 100 nanometer in x direction and also less than 100 nanometer in z direction. And it is here 100 nanometer in x, 100 nanometer in y, and 100 nanometer in z direction. Okay. Okay, you have already understood this nanomaterials. Okay, thank you all. So please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.